Guys, our Nollywood actress Iyabo Ojo don come outside to come let us know say she don officially come out tell us say she and her man, that is Paulo, dem no want marriage. Like anything wey dey go on between two of dem for dis their relationship, say e no go lead to marriage, and she give her reasons. Guys, omo, hey, dis one shock me o, because me I don dey think say okay o, maybe at some point dem fit wan later marry because obviously its already in the public. And for those of una wey catch that particular clip of she and her man for Priscilla White wedding, where they dey do those their love bed activities for there, guys. So like this now, for that video, we don't obviously know say they are not keeping their relationship um private anymore, so it's now in open. So some of us, like people like us, we say love Iyabo, we don't dey anticipate, we don't dey think say okay, well, maybe something like marriage fit come out of this their relationship. But now, to our greatest shock and surprise, Iyabo don come let us know say there's nothing. She said it's not going to lead to anything marriage. They just like the way they are, guys. So a backstory on how everything takes start. So this particular news station, them invite Iyabo as their guest. Like they come dey ask her different questions. She come like they come dey wonder. They ask her different things about her relationship. One of them come dey ask her say like how the two of them take dey come to each other, like whether they get days or times or weeks, or maybe they schedule their time wey be say they used to dey meet each other as lovers now, as people wey dey into, as mature people wey dey into relationship. So na im Iyabo Ojo come respond come talk say for she say it's like she's a very big workaholic because of her business, her job, her acting and producing of film and all that. Say as she be workaholic, na so her man sef Paulo take be workaholic. Say the man sef na even times 10 workaholic than she is. You know say the man get different businesses around the world, like London, Dubai, America, like different places. So for her e get times wey be say she go wan dey alone, she go wan dey on her own, make nobody, like just in her own space. Then she go just pack her bags, tell her man say she don dey go her house, so say she don dey comot, say she go come back like im go see am for like 5 days time. And the man sef go just say okay o, bye bye, all those kind of things. Say the man understand, say im no dey complain about am anything. Say sometimes she fit talk say she wan take 5 days off, like if she wan go back, then im go see am in 5 days time. Then before like in 3 days time she go come back. Or sometimes she go still take that the same 5 days away from the man. Like anytime wey the man see am, like im understand. Anytime wey im no see am, im still understand. Like they no dey get issue about am. And the same thing with the man sef. Na im she come say even the man sef the same thing with am, because the man sef dey always dey busy. Say the man sef go just pack im things. Like last year she dey give example come talk say the man just pack im bag, dey tell Iyabo say im no go dey around for like 6 to 7 months. So say you know say she know say im get different business for different places, like in container, this one, that one. And she sef she go understand sef, she go just carry her things dey go house. So all those things, like e no dey bring issue, e no dey bring quarrel at all between two of them. Dem understand. Just e just depend on how busy the two of them dey take dey. Na im she come say even if the two of them sef dey no dey always dey together, maybe because of work, their different kind of business and work, dey always dey communicate. Like dey always talk to each other every single now and then. Dey always communicate very well. And again sef, say anytime wey be say she dey ready to like see the man, let's say the man base outside the country, say anytime wey be say she wan see her man, say there's open ticket for her to go anytime any day. Like no be say the excuse no go dey say she no fit travel out, or she no get the ticket, or she no get this one to travel go see am. No, say anytime she's ready, as long as she just make the call and say okay, I want to see someone, I want to come over, all kind of thing. Say available tickets dey for her every, like anytime at all, anytime any day. Na im she come dey give example say like that time wey be say the man celebrate im birthday, say she suppose go see am for abroad, but because of her movie promotion and all that, say she no fit fly out go see the man, like to celebrate the birthday with am. Na im the lady come dey ask am say but if the man propose to her now, say whether she go accept. Na im she come say we don't want marriage. Na wetin she talk, say the two of them, they no want marriage between themselves. Say wetin they just want na that normal relationship wey be say dem get. Na im person one of the ladies there wey dey ask Iyabo questions come dey ask am say and what is the difference? Na im she come say there is difference oo, say you know dat kind thing be say you are not married to somebody but una just dey in relationship, you are still free to do whatever you want to do, go wherever you want to go, do like you still get your own freedom even if una dey relationship, unlike marriage. But marriage, like you must make sure say una two dey together, like e get some kind of restrictions wey be say person fit get when person dey married, and some kind of restriction wey be say person like freedom wey person fit get when person no get dey married. So all those things na im she dey explain to them say the two of them dey just get like cordial relationship, like normal agreement say no nothing like say marriage go enter, and besides sef dem even get children wey don even grow up sef, like children wey be say like age no go come use because say okay because of our children let us get married, all those kind of thing, no. Say their children don already mature, like him sef don mature for age, she don mature for age, so wetin dey cause dey find again for marriage? So na wetin she dey explain give those people. So for those of us wey dey out there wey dey believe in this their relationship say e go still lead to marriage, make una hear and hear clearly now say nothing like marriage, say dem no want marriage for their relationship, it's just dem being like two matured adults in a relationship, and that's all. So my people, na wetin she get to talk about this matter oo. So my people, make una tell me wetin una think about this Iyabo Ojo response to all dis her questions. This wey she talk say she no want marriage, and I will try my possible best reply every one of your comments guys. Keep them coming. No forget to like, share and subscribe if you like wetin we dey do for this channel. And if you don subscribe, thanks for subscribing. No also forget to put on your post notification so that anytime we say we post new video for this channel, una go dey among the first people to get notified. And I go see una for my next video. Bye.